Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to talk about the difference between a hydroblast and a vapor honing machine. So the part I have in my hand, which is very greasy, this is a perfect part to actually use in a hydroblast, which is simply heated high pressure water with a aqueous-based detergent. This is perfect for degreasing parts. It's not going to give you any type of finish, but it will degrease the part. We're going to throw this in here and see if we can't remove the grease off of this and show you exactly what we're talking about. All right, so as you can see, it really didn't change the aesthetics of the part, but there is no grease left on the part. So it did actually remove the grease. Now, as far as a wet blasting process, that's going to totally change the way this part looks. And we're going to take this over to our wet blast cabinet now, hit it with some glass bead, and I'll show you what the difference is between cleaning with a hydroblast and cleaning with a wet blast cabinet. All right guys, so we've run this through our wet blast vapor honing machine. As you can see, this actually brought back the original metal color to the actual part. Actually has a very smooth finish to it right now. The other side, which is where all we did was run the hydroblast on it, it didn't affect the actual outcome of the part other than removing the grease. So depending on whether you're wanting to go back to this original OEM finish, or you're just in a hurry and you're wanting to degrease parts so you don't get all greasy when you're trying to reassemble, hydroblast is a perfect thing for you. If you have any questions, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.